Today we will show you how to install a Platinum Ignition with a Warming Trends burner system. Equipping your Warming Trends burner system with a Platinum Ignition is a simple process. In just a few easy steps, you can have your Platinum Ignition installed and your fire feature up and burning. For this video, we have the plate and a vise for instructional purposes. Confirm you have a Platinum Ignition and a Warming Trends burner and plate. Confirm the model number of your Warming Trends burner. Check pack slip or PO. Burner model starts with the letter CFB, followed by a number, and finishing with LP or NG. For example, CFB 180 LP or CFB 240 NG. In this video, we will be showing you how to install a CFB 180. Locate the knockout on the plate or pan that corresponds with the burner model. Now it's time to remove the knockout. Using a screwdriver or a pair of pliers, gently pry one side of the knockout up from the plate. Be careful not to damage the plate. Move the knockout back and forth until it snaps loose from the plate. Discard the knockout. If you have a plate without a knockout, please visit the resources page on our website for installation instructions. The next step is to mount the pilot assembly on the plate. Before proceeding, it's important to remove the wind cage cap, which is held in place by painter's tape. Discard the painter's tape and set the cap aside. While holding the wires together, feed them through the knockout hole until the wind cage rests on the plate. The pilot assembly must be mounted on the plate in a certain orientation to work properly. The side hole nearest the pilot burner must be positioned so that it is next to the jet on a burner. While holding the wind cage in place, use included self-tapping screws to secure it to the plate. You may want to use an impact driver to make this process easier. Mount the drip leg before installing the transformer box and apply pipe dope on the threaded end to ensure proper seal. We will then grab the valve box and apply pipe dope to the exposed threads on the blank nipple. Then screw it into the end of the T on the drip leg. Tighten with a wrench to avoid leaks. We will next mount the transformer box to the plate using the pre-drilled holes and hardware provided. We want to ensure the panel is facing away from the valve box for easier access. Remove the transformer panel, exposing the transformer and the wires inside. Remove the open strain relief and feed the yellow and blue power wires from the valve into the transformer. Tighten the strain relief so the wires cannot move. Connect power wire to the transformer by matching blue and yellow wires from the ignition to the corresponding wires on the transformer. Secure the door with the screws. Connect the thermal pile by pushing the gray plug into the gray receptacle and the hot surface igniter by pushing the black plug into the black receptacle until you hear a click. Thread the compression fitting on the pilot tube by hand. Do not apply pipe dope to the threads and use a 1/2 inch wrench to tighten. Make sure not to over tighten. Next, attach the flared fitting from the flex line to the inlet side of the valve box. Apply pipe dope on the tapered thread, threaded side only. Do not apply pipe dope to the flared side. Hand thread the flared fitting, then use a pipe wrench to securely tighten it. Remove the flared fitting from the other end of the flex line and attach it to the outlet side of the key valve, then attach the flex line. Once all connections have been completed, place the burner system in the fire feature. Put the wind cage cap back on the wind cage. This must be done before any media is added to the feature to prevent any pieces from falling into the wind cage. Make sure the power to the feature is turned off. Plug the 6-foot pigtail into the GFCI outlet. Turn the power and gas on to ignite. Thanks for watching our guide on how to install the Platinum Ignition to a Warming Trends burner.